All right, everybody, this is John. Boy, Friday and today, Tuesday, have been a lot of fun. A lot of high flyers in this market. It's good to see that. Those are the funnest things to trade. This all could end in tears fairly quickly, but you got to smoke them while you got them. This is a stock that we've traded. We traded once here. There's this gorgeous squeeze right here, and we went right to the 1272 extension. It was a great trade. Haven't done anything with it since. And then last week we reloaded here. We got the ready aim fire buy and a run into earnings, and dear God, what a fun day today when this thing just ran and ran and ran. Now tomorrow, Wednesday, after the close, there's earnings. I have no idea how this is going to act after earnings, but what's interesting, at least right now, in the June monthly options, the highest strike price is $50. We're already at $44.80. If they do not open up the strikes and we go above $50, that's what happened to GameStop, because essentially at that point, the market makers, to hedge any short options that they're selling retail, who's buying long options, they got to buy the stock. That's when you get something crazy. So it's very possible something crazy happens here. Absolutely, of course, not guaranteed. If we're looking at resistance here, you've got basically $50 with that 34 EMA monthly, $70 there. If we look and drill down at the weekly chart, you can see this big breakout here, and in terms of walls of resistance and things like that, you start to see here there's a big cluster here around $46, and then if we get through that, it's a little kind of sky high here. So we'll see. I mean, this is something you don't know if this is it. It's a one and done, and tomorrow we're back at 25, or we run into earnings and it collapses, or do we run into earnings and we end up at $70? So just buying the calls here when the premium was low is great. Took some profits off and we can ride it up, and then we'll see what it does tomorrow. And then the other one I like here is UPST, also another one here that has a lot of high short interest. Remember, this was a dollarling back in the day. Right now you've got a squeeze that's happening. You do have high short interest, and now you're getting the shorts kind of getting picked off here, and certainly the possibility that we have a pop here. And then in terms of the indexes, remember the SPX today did nothing. There were some huge moves in stocks today. And the fact that the S&Ps, couldn't even move on a day like this, I do think that we are setting up. Remember, tomorrow's month end, but I think after tomorrow month end that the possibility of at least testing 4,100 makes sense. So I'm going to be bearish on SPX. And an NDX, of course, here is super extended as well. I mean, a reversion to the mean is going to take it down 1,000 points, and that would be very normal. So I am looking for that, especially after this week. What's causing this market to go down? There's a lot of stocks here that aren't doing well. There's Target, John Deere. There's a lot of stuff here just kind of getting slaughtered. And a lot of the stuff that's taken this market up, like Nvidia and stuff like that, I mean, it's pretty extended, and of course, nothing goes up forever. So, not a dull week by any stretch. For those of you in the room, we'll see you there bright and early tomorrow. And looking forward to these AI earnings and see what comes. Have a good one.
Hey, John here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below and let us know what topic you want to see us cover next. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release new videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com and learn how to sign up. Good trading, and we'll see you next time.